So starting a party rental company. You have heard me say the first thing that you want to do when you start a party rental company is market research. Market research means a lot of different things, and it doesn't just mean what am I going to rent, it's also who am I going to rent to? Because not all party rental businesses are the same. They have different customers, different kind of clientele. There are rental companies that specialize in weddings. There are rental companies that do a lot of corporate events. There are rental companies that do bounce houses and backyard parties. It's all about who your customers are. What does the market need? Where's there a gap in the market? And maybe it's about you. If you have a huge family network where you know a lot of families, you can do backyard parties all the time, maybe start there. Get a 20 by 20 and a bunch of plastic folding chairs, and you'll be busy every single weekend. Or maybe you're already in the wedding business. You know a bunch of event planners, caterers, and DJs, florists, and people like that. My rental company, a lot of it was wedding rental because we had wineries all over the place, and people were coming from out of town, getting married at a nice winery. The winery didn't own their equipment, so they needed to rent tables and chairs and tents and all of that sort of stuff. And so after a while, we just built relationships with the people who were the event planners or the event coordinators at the wineries, and we were putting up tents and sending out tables and chairs and dishware and all of that stuff every single weekend. And if you're in a market that has a lot of big employers and you have connections with people who put on big corporate events, that can be a really huge thing. I managed to get in with a big solar farm, and we did all the time. It would be like on a Wednesday, I'd send out 1,000 chairs because they would treat their workers to lunch. And it was terrific. So bottom line, every market is going to have different needs. You're going to know different people, and that is going to influence what inventory you buy and how you approach your party rental business. So let me know, what kind of events will you focus on?